Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the accessories that you should buy after buying Redmi Pad 2. So, if you are interested, keep watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, this is Redmi Pad 2 4G. This has the SIM card here. This is Redmi Pad 2. So let's start. So the first accessory that you should buy is the cover. This cover here is from Temu, and all the accessories that I will show you are from Temu. So this is a simple cover like this. It has this place here for the pen. It's transparent too, and this sticker here is also from Temu. Just a simple sticker that I bought. It's a bunch of stickers that I bought from Temu, so I just choose to put this one here. It's cute and simple. I don't like to put so many stickers in the cover. I saw so many examples of cover decoration on Pinterest. They put so many stickers. They are beautiful, but I don't have the energy to do that type of DIY, and I don't trust my taste, so I just keep just one sticker here. It's beautiful and simple. The second thing that you should buy is a simple cover, just transparent or white cover like this. What is the difference between these two? This one has this thing, and you can put the tablet like this or like this if you want to write, or like this if you want to watch videos or films or whatever, and this just to write. But this to hold the tablet in your hand, it's way easier. It's better than this. This one is better for if you want here to read something. If you want to read books, you can just put the tablet in this cover and just scroll in your book or manga or wherever. I like to use this cover when I am reading in my tablet. And I use this cover when I am watching TikToks or watching series or anything. Okay, so two covers are enough for the tablet. This one is for scrolling and to grab the tablet in your hand, and this cover for watching and to put the tablet in a position. Next is the pen. I bought this pen from Temu, and I don't recommend it actually. Better if you have budget, buy the Redmi pen. It's way easier. It's also it has the palm rejection with the Mi canvas, the application for taking notes in Xiaomi pads. Let me see. With this app right here, you can have the palm rejection with the Redmi pen, not with this pen. But you can also use this pen. It's a good pen, but for me it's not good. Just for me, I didn't like it. That's why I don't recommend this pen called the Universal Stylus pen. Don't buy it. It's not good enough to invest your money on it. So if you have budget, buy other pens or buy Redmi pen. And next, the thing that you should buy is a keyboard and mouse. They are so amazing. They connect to the tablet very easily, and they turn the tablet into a PC. It is really good experience using this keyboard. It's kit keyboard. It's from Temu too. They come two of them in the same package. It's a really cheap keyboard and mouse, and it works perfectly with the tablet, and it's beautiful. They have many colors. I choose this black one because I got the black cover. It's matching. It has kind of magnet because the tablet here has magnets. So this keyboard is English keyboard, as you see. You can find it in Arabic, in any language you want. So this is the keyboard. It's really simple, and it turns perfectly the tablet into a PC. And this is the mouse. It's connected with the Bluetooth. Also this, with Bluetooth you don't need anything, just the batteries inside. You put the batteries and it's gonna start working perfectly. These two things. And don't forget to put screen protection on your tablet to protect it from scratches. I will put my tablet in the cover. I will show you how it's turned, and also the pen. And like this, the tablet is ready to be used. Like this. If you want to see my tablet with all this setup, this keyboard and mouse, you can visit my Pinterest. I post there the picture of the tablet. So just like this, your tablet is ready to use and you can enjoy it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you have any questions about Redmi Pad 2. I will answer always. So see you in the next video. Bye.